Hey everybody, it's Doug. In this video, I just want to take a quick second to show you how you can, while you're in the product, submit a support ticket if you need help from customer care at Adobe. So here I am in Analytics, and you can go up to the right-hand side, and there's a little question mark here. When you click on that, this is going to give you some different help options. So obviously you can go into, documentation or the release notes or learning and community and all these kinds of things like that. But if you feel like you have searched through Experience League, you can even put a search here and look through Experience League for help documentation or tutorials or courses and those kinds of things. But if you still can't find, the solution to your problem, you can submit a support ticket. So there's a couple places that you can link to that. Even here in the help, you can go down to customer care right here. Or if you go to the support tab right there, you can say go to support at Experience League. I'll just click there. It's really the same thing. This will open a tab and take you to Experience League. And then up here at the top, you have this support menu. Click there. Now, it's still going to give you some options for finding answers, but also you can see here that you can open a support ticket, and you can also view and manage your open cases if you have multiple cases open. So I can get started by clicking over here. In fact, first make sure that it is the company that you want right here. So if you have more than one company, you'll have a drop down here and you'll select your organization there. And then go ahead and open a support ticket by clicking. Now you're going to select a product. So I'm going to select Analytics. You're going to give it a title. You're going to say something like Flow Report Doesn't Work or something like that. And when you type in a title, it'll give you a spot for a description, and you can, give it some more information there. And then again, here's some articles that might help. But if you want to keep going, then you can come down here, state the urgency. This is very, let's say, important. And let's look at the business impact. It is, medium business impact. Here's my time zone. I'm in, let's say I'm in Mountain Time, and here's a phone number and who else you should keep up to date, and submit that case. Anyway, just real quick ways to not only get some help in the tool and in Experience League, but also be able to then submit a ticket to customer care. Now, if you get to this page and it does not give you these options, it will tell you that you are not listed as a supported person, a selected person at your company to be able to open tickets. So if that's the case, you'll need to talk to others at your company who would have the rights and the ability to do that. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, and good luck.